Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Monopoly Go app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here and then you're looking for Monopoly Go app. You just click on search. And here Monopoly Go, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. You search here for Monopoly Go app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.